What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here, coming at you with part 3 of the Revo 2.0 rebuild. So it's been a little while now. I've been working on this truck. I've just been busy, so I haven't got as much time as I'd like on it, but it is coming along, and also it is having its fair share of problems. I've been running into some issues, but first I want to reveal this body. So my choice was to go with a stock Revo body, and I can put the cage all on it, although Proline makes a pretty sweet body that also accepts the cage, but it was just a little bit more pricey, and I felt that this body was pretty strong with the cage setup on it. So I went ahead and I painted it all up, and I am ready to reveal it. So first off, I do want to show I went ahead and I flex sealed it white after I was done with all my paint, just to kind of firm it up a little bit and give it a little more rigidity. So I think that that will really help it. And also I do have the RPM body savers I'm going to install, so I will be going over that as well. But I do want to show how it comes out when we pull off the overspray film. So first, let's I gotta do the window masks here and get those all off, and then we'll be ready to reveal this body. I'm very excited. This color here is supposed to be an orange. It doesn't really look like the cap. I went and I used this Traxxas paint that they had at my local hobby shop. I should have went to Mia, but I wanted to go to my hobby shop and check out a new crawler course they had set up, and all they had was that Traxxas in there. It didn't really spray that well out of the can, so I probably won't be picking up any more of that. So I'm gonna go ahead, get these window masks off, and then we will pull off this film and see what it looks like, guys. Well, alright guys, I got the window masks off. I decided to go clear on the windows here. It does come with the sheet if you want to go with the blacked out windows. It comes with the lights and stuff, so I'm going to put those on. But I wanted my windows clear. I thought with all the black there, it'd kind of be nice to break it up with some clear. My edges, they came out alright with the mask, and I put another layer on. The windows are good. The windshield's not quite as good. Just one little mistake there, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, let's reveal this thing. I'm going to start pulling off this overspray film and see how it looks, guys. And of course it looks like the film kind of peeled up there, so but this metallic black is gonna look pretty nice. This is always my favorite part after you paint a body. So this one, I mean, I took some time, but I know it's gonna get all beat up, so it's not a scale rig, so I wasn't as concerned, but I do want it to look good. Oh yeah, the black looks nice. Oh yeah. Ooh, I hope that's coming up. Look at the shine on that, guys. That is nice. That's the metallic. It looks nice. Just didn't spray nice. Yeah, see, the orange did not come out good. It was almost like translucent when I was spraying it here. It's and then the bottle says candy orange, but yeah, I mean, it kind of goes. It's not a big deal. If it was a scale rig and I was trying to get a certain color, I would have been mad, but on this it'll be okay. Let's go ahead, get some more of this off. Okay, and boom, it is all off. So I mean, it looks okay for a bashing rig. Nothing too special. I didn't really know what I was gonna do for a design here, so I was looking around and I found some bodies that had stripes right here. I don't really know what happened. That kind of stinks, but I think I can put my RC Propaganda sticker there, and right here I got some runoff. But this green wing should really bring out the rear of it nicely. So I think that that should go good. Now this was a white wing. Not sure how good the Lexan paint's gonna stick to this kind of plastic because it's not Lexan. But yeah, it's gonna look pretty good. I know that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cage off the old body and get that all mounted up here, and this thing will be ready to rip. Alright, so the cage is pretty much mounted. Now I'm going to install the RPM body savers here. See, they're like little vents. The vents just point towards the back, and they just slide into the hole here, and you bolt them in. So they do come with supplied hardware, and you should have no more body tear outs anymore. So I'm just going to tighten one screw up a little bit. And then the next. Make sure they're going into your holes in the cage. Don't have to go too tight because they are just plastic. And that's it. That's all you got to do. So now that's in there, and no more pull through. That feels really secure. I really like that. So that's what it looks like on the inside. I really like this design with the cage. I'm not the biggest fan of the quick release. You're trying to slide it underneath the shock mount there where it mounts. It's not the greatest, but it gets the job done. You see the latch kind of gets a little hung up there, but it's good to go. I mean, it is a good design. It's definitely solid. This body should hold up really well now. So see, then it gets a little trapped in there, but you know, at least it's on there nice and secure. So I'm going to go ahead, put the rest on, because the rear one's going to go on the same way. You just got this longer piece here. You can see it's got a little notch, so that's where that's going to go. Then that looks pretty slick right on there. So yeah, I'm going to install these, and this body will be ready to go. Alright guys, here is one last look. You can see I got my Mamba X in there. I got my connectors all soldered on. That will be in part 4, where we get everything all connected up and this thing all turned on, ESC calibrated, servo all plugged in, and steering all aligned. But she's pretty much ready to go, guys. So let me know in the comments if you're ready to see this thing rip. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And as always, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.